Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 8 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Now let's tap on Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. As you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so you can see that it will be Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Network Settings, and here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone. So tap on Reset Network Settings, and as you can see, it is quite quick operation. We had the information that we just successfully reset network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.